Part 2, Preparing for College Life.
Santa Monica College to scribe in my daughter in school, and I'm surprised, man. It's such a big school. They have their own observatorium for looking at the stars. They have a big football stadium. They have everything here. A lot of foreigners too, Asian students. It's yeah, it's professional. It's really nice school. So for the rest, I will enjoy some movies. I don't know if I can take shots here, but I will try to show how beautiful this school really is. To Target, to the shopping mall, and now where are we? Ikea. Yes, Ikea in California, to take some other stuff like furniture and everything, so we will see. So we've been to Ace Hardware. It's a big shop, very big shop, to get some paint and everything. So we decided to paint her dorm room. We asked the owner if it's possible. He said no problem. So tomorrow it's gonna be a working day, so she's nice and comfortable in her room.
I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word.
6.5 hours later.
You know I don't play right. You know I don't play. You know I don't play.